Let's then turn to another big story that's been brewing. The Bibek Debroy-headed panel on railway reform has suggested the restructuring of the Indian Railways, including recommending private players to run passenger and freight trains. The panel has asked the national transporter to withdraw from welfare services such as running of schools and hospitals and managing the railway protection force. So really dramatic changes have been recommended by this panel headed by Niti Aayog member Bibek Debroy. Bibek Debroy now joins me and I want to ask him one big question. Bibek Debroy, there is a sense that the question that I want to ask you is whether you are recommending privatization, because that is what your report seems to suggest. The Prime Minister has said there will be no privatization of the railways. What do you have to say? Is this privatization, Bibek Debroy?
Well, my first request to everyone, including you, Rajdeep, would be to read the report very carefully.
I have read it.
Chapter 1 of the report states categorically, I repeat categorically, that we are not using the word privatization, we are not recommending the privatization of the Indian Railways.
You don't want to use the word privatization, but if we are to understand correctly, the report suggests that the Railway Ministry now should only deal with policy making. The functioning of the railways day to day should be handed over to private operators. Isn't that a form of privatization of the railways?
The word privatization is used in multiple senses. So until you tell me what is the sense in which you are using the word privatization, this discourse would be pointless. Privatization may mean privatizing the equity of Indian Railways. That we are against. Privatization may mean the entry of private operators. We are indeed recommending that. And to avoid confusion, we have explained through 2 paragraphs in the report, please don't use the word privatization, please don't use the word deregulation. We are recommending liberalization.
You know,
So let us be clear about this. There is no privatization of Indian Railways being contemplated.
You know, some will say this is semantics, privatization, liberalization. But do you believe that with the kind of investment required in the railways, any private investor or organization will be willing to invest in what is essentially a public service? This is not even hotels or airlines. The kind of investment that will be required in the railways, do you see it happening?
Well, firstly, I'm sure you know this, Rajdeep, this is more for the viewers. Your viewers may or may not be aware that private freight trains already exist. Private passenger trains also already exist. Private production of wagons, locomotives and coaches either exists or is going to happen. So there is nothing earth-shaking that we are recommending. What is important is the following, but before the following, to put any organization into shape, you need to fix the human resources part of it, you need to fix the commercial accounting part of it. Now, one of the reasons why private investments are not coming in, one of the reasons you do not know what the rates of return of Indian railway projects themselves are, is because you do not have commercial accounting. 2 very strong chapters and long chapters of our report are about HR and commercial accounts. Going back to the private entry, the reason private entry has not been happening on that larger scale is because of conflict of interest and access to track, which is why we've recommended an independent regulator who actually reimburses both Indian Railways and the private sector for social cost obligations. That regulator also ensures access to track.
Can I ask you in conclusion, Mr. Debroy, are you effectively suggesting that the way the present railway ministry is run is politicized, inefficient, and therefore the only way forward for the better management of railways is increasing private participation and making the railways autonomous from the political leadership?
That is absolutely correct. That's absolutely correct. As long as you do not use the word privatization, we are all agreed.
Okay. There, Vivek Debroy. Appreciate your joining us. Vivek Debroy, speaking to me earlier, he is the man who is recommending now interim panel report out on railway reform.